Hello friends, the topic of today's lecture is steps in job analysis process. Job analysis. The job analysis is a systematic process of gathering complete information about the job duties and responsibilities required to perform a specific job. According to Jones and Decotes, job analysis is the process of getting information about jobs, especially what the worker does, how he gets it done, why he does it, skill, education and training required, relationship to other jobs, physical demands and environmental conditions. Steps in the process of job analysis. There are several steps for conducting a job analysis: collecting information about the job, drawing up an initial list of tasks that the employee has to perform and the competencies required to complete them. And competencies include skills, abilities, behaviors and other characteristics necessary for the job. Identifying which tasks are critical, identifying which competencies are essential to carrying out the task, and reviewing your list of competencies and tasks and eliminating irrelevant competencies. Then deciding which competencies you will use as a selective factors. Steps in the process of job analysis. The job analysis process has following steps: identification of job analysis purpose, who will conduct job analysis, how to conduct job analysis process, strategic decision making, training of job analyst, preparation of job analysis process, data collection, documentation, verification and review, and developing job description and specification. Identification of job analysis purpose. Well, any process is futile until its purpose is not identified and defined. Therefore, the first step in the process of job analysis is to determine its need and desired output. Spending human efforts, energy as well as money is useless until human resource managers don't know why data is to be collected and what is to be done with it. Who will conduct job analysis? The second most important step in the process of job analysis is to decide who will conduct it. Some companies prefer getting it done by their own human resource department, while others hire job analysis consultants. Job analysis consultants may prove to be extremely helpful as they have offer unbiased advice, guidelines and methods. They don't have any personal likes and dislikes when it comes to analyze a job. How to conduct the process. Deciding the way in which job analysis process needs to be conducted is the next step. A planned approach about how to carry the whole process is required in order to investigate a specific job. A strategic decision making. Now is the time to make a strategic decision. It is about deciding the extent of employee involvement in the process, the level of details to be collected and recorded, sources from where data is to be collected, data collection methods, the processing of information, and segregation of collected data. Training of job analyst. Next is to train the job analyst about how to conduct the process and use the selected methods for collection and recording of job data. Preparation of job analysis process. Communicating it within the organization is the next step. Human resource managers need to communicate the whole thing properly so that employees offer their full support to the job analyst. The stage also involves preparation of documents, questionnaires, interviews, and feedback forms. Data collection. Next is to collect job related data, including educational qualification of employees, skills and abilities required to perform the job, working conditions, job activities, reporting hierarchy, required human traits, job activities, duties and responsibilities involved, and employee behavior. Next is documentation, verification, and review. Proper documentation is done to verify the authenticity of collected data and then review it. This is the final information that is used to describe a specific job. Developing job description and job specification. Now is the time to segregate the collected data into useful information, and job description and job specifications are developed with the help of this data. Job description. Job description describes the roles, activities, duties, and responsibilities of the job, while job specification is a statement of educational qualifications, experience, personal traits, and skills required to perform the job.